Class, please begin.
I brought you an apple, Mr. Johnson.
Don't you realize I'm deathly allergic to apples? Go sit in the chair.
Nobody likes me.
Man, I really love Sunkist.
Well, if you love it so much, why don't you marry it?
Oh, my love, my darling, I've hungered for your touch a long, lonely time. Time goes by so slowly, and time can do so much. All you still more.
And now time for a word from the man who's magnetically attracted to water.
I brought you some water. Whoa! What did you write today, Tommy? Wrong answer.
Nobody likes me.
Dude.
Alright, go along.
Dude.
Hey, you want some salt on those grapes?
Dude.
Okay, Tommy, what does this one say?
Chicken.
What does this one say?
Chicken.
What does this one say?
Chicken.
Wrong answer!
Nobody likes me.
Man, this lake sure looks beautiful. Hey, your head's a football. Oh, so it is. Hey, I stole your hat!
Sup, dude? You want to do some illegal drugs?
Alright, a hot tub.
Tommy, who's this?
George Washington!
And who is this?
George Washington!
And I bet you know who he is, too.
Abraham Lincoln!
Wrong answer!
Nobody likes me.
Hi, I'm Anthony Hoover, from Hoover and Hoover Productions. Usually on Hoover and Hoover Productions, we try to make you laugh. But today, I'm here to discuss something that's no laughing matter. Kids getting tormented and picked on by other kids throwing footballs at them.
There's vultures and thieves at your back. Storm keeps on twisting.
If you would like to volunteer, donate, or know more about the cause, please call this number at the bottom of your screen, or visit this website in the middle of your screen, or email us at the email address blocking my face, or see our ad in Women's Health Monthly.
You drank my sun-kissed?
Yep.